Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be reacting to the video Front Desk Employee Cracked by Dr. Holden Stanfill. He is a chiropractor based out of St. Louis, Missouri, looks like. And I've seen some of his videos before, but I've never seen this one, but I know I'm gonna like it because I like the video. So, here we go.
Stressed out about something?
Working here.
Yeah, I've never felt anything like this before. Wow, so stiff through here. So we're gonna adjust the navicular here. Good. Navicular's on your foot, by the way. This one's gonna help with the smell. Okay. I went too far though. There we go.
Did it help?
Hands on your hips. Nice. Can we get a close up, zoom in on this? That's where the problem is. Let's remember that when I walked in, I got shot with a Nerf gun.
Alright, it wasn't my idea, remember?
Pull up the clip. Ow, it does kind of hurt. Elbow back. There we go. Comfy?
No.
Nice. Are you in a rush to get somewhere?
Back to work.
Good. There it is. Okay, definitely let me know if you have any trouble breathing after this.
Okay.
Do you feel anything with that?
I can't breathe.
How are we feeling?
I can breathe. I smell better. Yeah, I'm good.
Stressed out?
Alright, that was a great chiropractic cracking. I always like seeing when he does the shoulders. You know, I always like that. That's kind of satisfying, you know. Because that's pretty satisfying. Just simple little pops, but so satisfying. Same as all, it doesn't seem like a whole lot, but it goes through your whole body. It's just nice and satisfying, And and those back cracks, they were good ones. They weren't the best ones I've seen, but they're pretty satisfying, either way. So, this is me reacting to the video Front Desk Employee Cracked by Dr. Holden Stanfill. This looks like a really good chiropractor if you're in the St. Louis area. Man, this looks like a really good chiropractor to go to. Satisfying cracking, and it looks like, he has a really good service record. As you can see, his employees like him.